Welcome back, everybody. We've got just a few days left of National Hispanic Heritage Month, and we're grateful for a spot of sugar this morning with Abuelita's Bakery Spot, based out of Buda. It's a really Buda-centric show today. Joining us now is owner Vanessa Rodriguez. Vanessa, good morning.
Good morning.
Thank you for being here. Let's talk about your business because it was a COVID change.
Yes,
so how long have
definitely.
you been around, and why did you want to start it?
Well, so we started based off of our Abuelita's recipes. We just wanted to be able to share to the community what we grew up on. So
Started in 2021. Very impressive to make such a big change during a very unusual time.
Yes.
Let's call it that.
It was.
And for people who do not know the term abuelita, could you do an explainer for me?
Yeah, so Abuelita to us, it's just like grandma. So we just named it after her, and then not only after her, but after all the abuelitas that want to share our love for the pastries.
All the abuelitas
Yes,
out there.
all the abuelitas, yes.
And you're saying we, it's actually you and your brother
Yes.
who own this business. Yes. And I told you it couldn't be me and my brother. We would have killed each other already.
Yeah, seriously.
But the fact that you're family and you're working together, it means that you're very cohesive on how you grew up, the flavors you grew up with, that sort of thing, right?
Yes, definitely. Yeah, no, so we just wanted to be able to share to the community. From COVID time, we started in a food truck, and then from a food truck, we started to our first location in Kyle. Been there for 3 years, and then from there, we started the Buda location, which has been there for about a year.
Wow.
So, we're just trying to, be able to display our pastries to everybody.
Well, and they're responding, right?
Yes,
I mean, the fact that you
yes.
keep expanding, that's fantastic.
Yes.
I do want to say your brother is the one who handles like some of the business side.
Yes, he does.
You, my friend, are the
Yes.
baker.
Yes,
So
yes.
let's talk about what you grew up with and therefore what you have now created to share with other people.
Yeah, so we have amazing bakers that help us with, the daily operations. And, me too, I try to help as much as I can. But right now we have our conchas, we have our mini versions of them. They're typically regular size traditionally, but we make them mini versions, and that's what really stands out at our bakery.
And not only that, you've got like a Mexican flag version of the concha, which is, I've never seen it before actually.
No, really?
Yeah.
Yeah, so we do that right now for the Hispanic Heritage Month. And then we have our mini marranitos, our Mexican wedding cookies.
Okay, I'm gonna slow you down. Marranitos.
Marranitos, they're piggies.
They're
They're little
piggies. Okay,
yeah.
I've got to pull one out just so you guys can see. So cute, like a little piggy
They're
shape.
mini versions.
Yeah.
Yes.
Oh, they're. And is it? I'm just guessing based on the color, but a gingerbread.
It is like a gingerbread. So that's the best way I describe it to people. And the same thing for this mini conchas. I best describe it like a Hawaiian roll with just sugar on top.
With sugar on, you know
super
what?
soft.
You'll get me saying yes to any of this. These wheels feel kind of churro almost style.
Yes, they are, yeah.
Talk to me about those.
So this is actually what started the whole business, buñuelos. So that's kind of what kickstarted everything for us.
I've heard. I've heard of
buñuelos. So these are very, very popular during Christmas time and New Year's. But they're typically very large. We just made a mini version, so everyone just easy to bite, easy to go, and everything.
This is something you've gotten clever about, is like taking
mini versions.
Yes.
Yes.
Well, and then you can have more of
Yes.
them. That's the important part. These sorts of cookies I haven't seen before. These kind of tricolored ones.
Yeah, they're called polvorones. So yeah, they're just a sugar cookie. They're tricolor, very popular in the Hispanic culture. So.
And how about these big old buns?
So these
right
are
here?
pan de muerto.
Okay.
Those are very popular right now for Day of the Dead.
I was gonna say muerto.
Yeah, pan de
Sounds like
muerto.
Dia
Yes.
de los Muertos.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes. So that's coming up November 1st and 2nd, but we do have them all month at the bakery. These are very, very delicious. They're super soft, but they are a very big staple at this time around for the Day of the Dead.
Okay.
So.
What makes them different? What makes them special?
It's just the Day of the Dead bread. So these little things, they're like the bones. So it's a very symbolic thing for the Day of the Dead. So a lot of people buy them and put them in the altar that they make.
Oh my gosh.
So these are the bones, and then just to celebrate the family members that are no longer with us. So.
That have passed on, absolutely.
Yes.
So it's actually a celebration of sorts.
It is a sort of celebration.
Even though we're kind of alluding to some like imagery that one wouldn't normally associate with baked goods.
Yes, yes, yeah. But it's a very beautiful culture in the Hispanic world. So it's a really big thing to be able to honor it, so like that.
Well, I've learned something today. That's absolutely wonderful. And then this thing is the one that's calling to me most. This
pink cake.
Pink cake.
Yes,
is that the name of the cake?
And that's the way we name it at the bakery. But you can also say cortaditos. It's just a Spanish version of it. But it's really good. It's really nice.
It looks like the perfect sort of thing for like a birthday party or something like that.
Yes,
Okay,
definitely.
so lots of things to tuck into. I love that. You do have those treats for Dia de los Muertos. Is there anything else going on that you want to mention for that time?
Yeah, so right now for the Hispanic Heritage Month, till November 2nd, we're going to have our Hispanic Heritage Box, which will have 2 of these and a variety of the pastries at our both locations.
And it's like the sprinkly sugar cookies.
Yes.
It's all sorts of wonderful little
Everything.
treats.
Yeah.
So it'd be a wonderful thing to bring to someone else or something nice to bring home just for you.
Yeah, definitely.
Nothing wrong with that. Okay, real quickly, where and when can we shop with you?
Yeah, so we have both locations, one in Cal, one in Buda, and we're open from Monday to Sunday. And yeah, we have all these delicious pastries available.
Well, thank you for baking such wonderful things because I'm about to tuck in.
Thank you.
I appreciate your time, Vanessa. Thank you, of course.
You.
For more details on their delicious offerings, visit abuelitasbakeryspot.com or follow Vanessa on social media at Abuelitas Bakery Spot.